Hi, this is Tablet Store UK, and I just want to show you around a few extra features of the WinPad IO, our 10-inch ruggedized Windows tablet. A few features that weren't on the previous video that we did, some of the extended options for data capture. So I'm just going to show you that on a few models that I have here in front of me. First of all, on this unit, two options that have been added are the front-facing camera here, center webcam at the front, and on the rear of the device, the 5 megapixel rear-facing camera with flash. On this model that I have here, two things that have been added are the 2D barcode scanner, which on this model is on the left edge, and on the rear of the device, the magnetic swipe reader, which you can see there at the top. So if I just lay that flat for a moment, you'll see that I can run a card through the device along the back there. Just show you how that looks from the side. Just going to take a look around the barcode scanner configuration tool, partly to show you what options that you have, and also as a useful video for anyone that's purchased this. There is a PDF that will come with this, but just as an easy way of showing you how to set up the device. There's two applications that may or may not be pre-installed that you'll need to use. The first one is EasySet, so we'll load up EasySet, and what this is, as you'll be familiar probably with other barcode scanners, you'll often have pages and pages and pages of barcodes that you can scan to configure the device. That is possible, and actually you can build printout pages for certain configuration options, but it's easily done all within the software as it's running on a PC already. To set this up, what you'll need to do is go to the Product tab, click Select, and select the ED30 scan engine, which has already been done here. Then go to the Communication menu, choose Select Communication Interface. COM1 is the COM port that it'll be on, select OK, and then we're able to go through various configuration options and send those to the product. If actually we want to just build a sheet that we can print out, then instead we can click Send to Sheet. First thing that you'll need to do on the device is go to Interface, RS232 parameters and baud rate, and double click on 115200, and then once that's selected, click the play button to send that to the device. Clicking that once will successfully send that to the device unless you get an error message. Next thing that you want to change is come down to data transmission settings and go into post amble, and you can set what the post amble will be. For most people, what they want to do is send a carriage return, so that can be configured here and sent to the device. If you wanted a carriage return a line feed, nothing, or some other character sent, then that can be configured there. Then you're going to want to go into symbologies. Now by default, all symbologies are disabled, so what you're going to want to do is know what symbologies that you're scanning for. It's unlikely that you're going to want to be looking for all symbologies, so they're all off by default. There's probably only one that you're using, maybe a few, and you can select those there, go into any one particular symbology, double click enable and send that to the device. Once that's set, you can exit QuickSet and install and load, if it's not already, Smart Wedge software, which will run down in the system tray down here. Now this can be set to automatically start with Windows, which you'll probably want to do. So you've got settings there to start a Windows startup and to beep when a successful barcode read occurs. In here you will add or remove a scanner, choose Add Scanner, the default option of already associated with the COM port, say OK. Your device, it's COM1, baud rate, everything should be there OK, and hit OK, and it will now be working with that scanner. It does allow you to do that multiple times, which can be an issue, so I'm just going to go back in, remove a scanner, and you'll see that I've got the same device twice. Just going to remove the one that's got a cross through it, and that should now work actually. To activate the barcode scanner, the Bluetooth button, but on layer 3 of the hotkey application, will activate that. So there we are on layer 3, and if we just put something in its way, then you'll see that a single press of that is activating the barcode scanner, another press will stop it. If Thanks for watching. If you require further help with the device, then do give us a call, and if you're interested in purchasing, take a look at the product at tabletstoreuk.com.